In this room, we're going to talk about the James Loudspeaker in-wall flush soundbar system. So what we have here, it might be somewhat hard to see, but is a very high quality soundbar made by James, which is flush inside of the wall and then connected back to the audio system for this particular room. So the way we work with this is we build out a cubby system during the rough-in construction, work with the builder, we frame that out, and then when it's time for the install, the soundbar is slid into the wall. The nice feature that we have here is the grille, which is the piece that's covering the soundbar here, comes in white metal, but we can also have this laser printed with any pattern we like. So we send out a sample of the wallpaper or finished material that is scanned and then printed onto this grille. So the final fit and finish gives you an amazing look that's very hard to tell that it is a soundbar in the wall. So when you're in the room, it's very hard to see. Sometimes cameras or video picks it up more than you can actually see in person. But any person that walking in here is going to have a very hard time telling that there is even a soundbar in this room, which is great because when you have a frame TV from Samsung or Sony, you want to have that art finish on the wall but not see a soundbar. So that gets you a really nice fit and finish with the James soundbar.